Pemirsa, hari ini gelaran MotoGP kembali akan dilangsungkan di sirkuit Le Mans, France alias Prancis nih pemirsa. Hasil kualifikasi menempatkan pembalap asal Spanyol Marc Marquez ini berada di posisi terdepan. Kira-kira yang ada di sampingnya, kok di sampingnya? Kira-kira yang ada di belakangnya siapa nih? Coba kita lihat.
Kejuaraan MotoGP musim 2015 akan kembali bergulir pada hari Minggu ini. Hasil kualifikasi menempatkan pembalap Spanyol Marc Marquez di posisi start terdepan. Marquez mengungguli Andrea Dovizioso dan rider tim Yamaha Jorge Lorenzo dalam sesi kualifikasi yang diselenggarakan di sirkuit Le Mans. Dalam sesi kualifikasi yang dilakukan Sabtu malam tadi, Marquez mencatatkan waktu terbaik 1 menit 32,246 detik guna menyabet pole position. Ia unggul 0,503 detik dari Dovizioso yang akan menempati posisi start kedua dan 0,6 detik dari Lorenzo yang start di posisi berikutnya. Hasil kualifikasi MotoGP Prancis ini merupakan pole ketiga Marquez dari 5 balapan sejauh ini. Sementara 2 pole lain diraih oleh Dovizioso dan Lorenzo. Di baris kedua start nanti akan ditempati pembalap Cal Crutchlow berkaca catatan waktu terbaik keempat di sesi kualifikasi. Berikutnya ada Andrea Iannon dan Bradley Smith yang membela Yamaha Tech 3. Sedangkan sang pemuncak klasmen sementara Valentino Rossi dari tim Yamaha harus puas berada di posisi ke-7. Bersama Rossi di baris start ketiga, nantinya akan ada pula pembalap Dani Pedrosa dan Danilo Petrucci. Aleix Espargaro, Yoni Hernandez dan Paul Espargaro akan melengkapi posisi start 12 besar balapan MotoGP Prancis kali ini. Dalam seri balapan MotoGP, Valentino Rossi tercatat telah 3 kali menjadi kampion di sirkuit Le Mans. Mampukah kali ini Rossi menambah koleksi kemenangan keempatnya di sirkuit Le Mans? Strategi apa sajakah yang akan disiapkan oleh The Doctor dan timnya untuk meraih kemenangan dan makin menjauhkan poin dari para pesaingnya? Saksikan siaran langsung MotoGP 2015 di sirkuit Le Mans, Prancis hari Minggu jam 5 sore hanya di Trans 7.
Olha só o Valentino passa e o Marcos vai pra cima. O Rossi chega junto.
there, I had a quite good pace, and I was a little bit faster compared to Dovi and Marquez, so I think that I can do. When I go in front, I did some good lap, but already Jorge was too far, and anyway he had a better pace. He was stronger, but I'm so happy because it was a difficult weekend, and these 20 points are very important for the championship.
It's because at the end of the race I was very, very strong, and I could win probably the race with quite a big margin, but with this problem of spinning, I couldn't do more, and I had to slow down and finish the race.
When Rossi was 7-8 seconds, I could breathe a little bit more, but not too much because I wanted to keep a high pace, not to lose the concentration. So perfect day, no? Especially for the championship, no? Yeah, leading the championship with these 5 points of advantage. Now it comes Mugello, a track that I love. Probably is my favorite track, where I could take the profit of all my qualities, my strong points.
From the third row, from the 7th place, and you arrive second is always great. It's always a good race, and especially because today these 20 points are so important for the championship, because we are able to close the gap with the top that changed from Marquez to Lorenzo. Today was a bit more difficult. So I try to stay concentrated, to ride well. Anyway, my bike was well balanced, so I can recover on Marquez and Dovizioso. And I think that the good idea was try to overtake as soon as possible and go in front. And I did some good laps, and after Marquez and Dovi make the mistake, so I was able to have a little bit more relaxed second part
sure,
of the race.
Because Danny was closing the gap, but at the end I was not pushing on the limit. No, I was just trying to have the situation under control and give this third to Suzuki. I was thinking a lot on Argentina race, and for sure I was trying to don't make the same mistake. Oh, sure, the decision gonna be really difficult, but every day I have more clear, and finally, as soon as possible, I will make it.